Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon.
Welcome to the 8th Convocation Ceremony of Sushant University. Today marks the culmination of years of hard work, perseverance and dedication. It is a celebration of academic accomplishments and the incredible journey undertaken that has brought you to this significant milestone. I, Dr. Shaili Bhashanjali, Associate Professor and Head of the Center for Soft Skills, Sushant University, will be the Master of Ceremony for this Convocation Ceremony of Sushant University. I hereby invite the Controller of Examination and Director, Academic Affairs, Professor Anil Yadav, to welcome the gathering.
Honorable Chancellor of Sushant University, Mr. Mishra, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sushant University, Dr. Rakesh Ranjan, Registrar and Pro VC, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, respective deans, members of the Academic Council, faculty members, and dear graduates. I, Anil Yadav, Controller of Examinations and Director Academic Affairs, welcome you all to the 8th Convocation of Sushant University. At the 8th Convocation, the degrees would be conferred on 527 students, including 9 Doctor of Philosophy, 126 postgraduate degrees, and 392 undergraduate degrees. In the 8th Convocation, we would also be presenting 45 medals, including 2 gold and 2 silver medals at the university level and 41 medals at the program level. I am also pleased to inform you that Sushant University degrees are now available on DigiLocker, which is considered at par with the original documents as per the IT Act of the Government of India. The 8th Convocation degrees, that is your degrees, would also be available on DigiLocker within the next 2 months. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome you all once again to the happy and momentous occasion of the 8th Convocation of Sushant University. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request the Honorable Chancellor to declare the convocation open.
I hereby declare the convocation open.
We now proceed to the annual report of the University by the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Rakesh Ranjan, an esteemed academic leader and a graduate of BITS Pilani. He brings over 30 years of teaching and research expertise from both Indian and foreign universities. His distinguished career includes key administrative roles at prestigious institutions. Dr. Ranjan's intellectual prowess is evident through his research-oriented approach, reflected in the authorship of several books in his core and related areas, and has guided 18 PhD candidates. With a remarkable 184 research papers, published 9 textbooks, and contribution to international conferences as advisory committee member, Dr. Ranjan has played a pivotal role as a committee member for prestigious international conferences and journals, demonstrating his commitment to the global academic community. Dr. Ranjan's legacy includes the successful completion of numerous sponsored projects, further strengthening his impact on academics. May I now request Honorable Vice Chancellor to present the annual report of the University.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Chancellor, Sushant University, Sri Jaisankar Misra ji, trustees and esteemed members of the governing body, Board of Management and Academic Council in absentia, guests, colleagues sitting on the dais, off the dais, students, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure and deem it as my proud privilege to welcome you all to the 8th Convocation of Sushant University, Gurugram. At the very outset, on behalf of Chiranjeev Charitable Trust and Susant University and my personal behalf, I extend a warm welcome to all proud recipient of PhD, medal and degree. I, Dr. Rakesh Ranjan, Vice Chancellor, present here with annual report of Susant University. I am thankful to the leadership team to their gracefulness to extend all help to develop this university as truly multidisciplinary center of excellence in higher education. You all being now alumni and integral stakeholder after taking over this university by the new management, visible changes are seen on the ground. In 2 years, total student strength surged from 2,100 to nearly 3,000. It gives me immense pleasure to inform this August gathering that during the last 12 years of its existence, the university has witnessed exceptional growth and expansion along with the quality of education. I would like to take this opportunity to acquaint our distinguished guests and invitees with the activities and achievement of this university. The legacy of Chiranjeevi Charitable Trust, the sponsoring body of this university in the realm of the higher education, goes back to 1989, when the foundation of Susant School of Art and Architecture was established to address the gap in Indian architectural education. Susant University was established in 2012 under the Haryana Private University Act for the promotion of education in the field of law, technology, management, planning, architecture and design, humanities and social science, and further application of contemporary knowledge through research, consultancy, and dissemination by integrating curricula that is relevant with the needs and demands of industry, community, society in all its manifestations. From the modest beginning with a few departments, today university has in its fold 7 different schools which are contemporary and applied in nature. The university today offers undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral program in all 7 schools. As you know, that university has a spacious campus in the heart of downtown Gurugram, which accommodates some of the finely designed buildings to serve diverse needs of various disciplines. With over 180 plus faculty members engaged in teaching, promotion of research, consultancy, outreach program, etc., the university has established the state-of-art infrastructure required for academic, sports, and extracurricular activities. The university has long history of calling academic leadership from eminent sectors from various fields and global experts in their own field to deliver lectures for the academic benefit of our students. All of you are aware that the platform lecture series is a regular phenomenon in your university where the university invites serving vice chancellor to the campus to interact with our student, to expose our student about the global phenomena that is going around. To facilitate the students in their endeavor of higher learning, the university has enabled students with various scholarship and fee concession, credit-based continuous evaluation, fieldwork balanced with studio and lab work, compulsory modules for soft skills and languages, and a strong collaboration with universities abroad. Intellectual fraternity at the university exhibits excellence in teaching and research, which is evident from the publication research paper at national and international level, and several patents in the name of this university filed by our faculty. A number of seminars, workshops, discussions, and extensive lectures were organized by different schools during the current session. Online courses have been slowly inducted in our pedagogy to keep pace with the changing scenario. Many of our students have brought pride to this university by joining at eminent position in defense, civil services, private sector, as well as government sector. Formal integration of alumni is long pending, but it is our priority, and soon you all will have events that follows in our annual calendar. You may now visit a sports facility in the campus, which is much improved, tennis, badminton, football, box, cricket are being supervised by ex-Ranji player, you will be happy to note that through campus sports facility, Sports Startup has bagged funding in this year of the SARC Season 3 contest. You shall be further happy to note that the university has organized Freshers Party, Diwali Mela, Annual Sport Carnival, and famous singer Jassi Gill was invited to perform. Jassi Gill performance was greatly appreciated by our students. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities are now regular phenomena. Kindly note that in the year 2023, when you were a student here, King had performed in your campus, and I'm sure the memory is still be there with you. Now, allow me to present Susant University rating, ranking, and recognitions related to School of Business, School of Engineering and Technology, and School of Law. During India's G20 presidency, at G20 Anti-Corruption's Intercollegiate Debate held on 23rd of February, the Susant University team representing Indonesia won the first prize. SU team also represented Australia and Oman in the competition. Susant University and the University of Essex, UK, signed on 16th November 2023 a progression agreement for 2+1 framework covering selected undergraduate BBA and BCom students of Susant University for study and acquiring degree at Essex. This constitutes a landmark for Susant University, being the first ever to offer 2+1 program with a foreign university of repute like Essex, United Kingdom. Nitish Khanna, student of BBA, selected as a captain of Gurgaon under-23 team in the league organized by Haryana Cricket Association affiliated to BCCI. Mokshika Tuteja, again the student of BBA, secured first position in the dance competition district level organized by Nehru Yuva Kendra Gurugram. Sabya Sharma, student of BBA, second position in the inter-university summer internship presentation competitions, Udaya, organized by school. Urja Ganga Singh, among the one of the prominent students from outgoing batch who secured campus placement with the highest package of 28 lakhs per annum. About ranking, GHRDC's survey 2023 in School of Law and School of Engineering and Architecture ranked number 1 in Haryana. SOL achieved second rank in Northern region. GHRD also achieved 4th rank in the category of eminent law school. School of Engineering and Technology notched the first position in 2023 national level ranking GHRDC in top engineering college in excellence category. School of Law achieved an award of Certificate of Excellence for being one of the premium legal education institute of India and for shaping the legal minds of the future by BW Law School ranking 2023. Second position in top outstanding law school of excellence in 2022 and 2023 consecutive years. Coming back to the foreign collaboration, last year we had KMUTT collaborations, Arizona State University collaborations, University of Northern Iowa, USA collaborations, IDP International Education Specialist collaboration, AECC Study Abroad Consultancy, US International Private Limited, United International University Dhaka, Essex University UK, University of West England UK, Dhaka International University Bangladesh. These are the few international collaboration to name with. There are certain initiatives that added feather to our cap in the field of research, publication, consultancy, and patents. 17 books were published by the faculty of this university, 12 patents granted or published, filed by the university professors. There are 42 chapters and the books in the proceedings were published. Over 100 journal papers in reputed journals of like Scopus, ABDC, and others were published last year. Preparation of NAC accreditation process is about to complete, and I I'm happy to announce that this April 2024, we are going to apply, and very soon your alma mater will have the NAC accreditation. Due to the limitation of time, it is not possible to record all the details of our initiatives and achievements in the areas of development, research, conferences, cultural activities, and sports, etc. I have our share of trial and tribulation, but with the commendable cooperation from the members of the teaching fraternity, students, and employees of this university, as well as the parents, I'm sure we'll be able to make significant headway in our effort to make it center of excellence in higher education. At last, I congratulate all the successful students and wish them all the great success in their future endeavor and life. I once again welcome all our guests for sparing their precious time, gracing this occasion on the 8th convocation of Susant University, along with our student and teaching fraternity. Once again, all the best and good luck for your future life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite the Registrar, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, to kindly introduce Honorable Chancellor.
A very good afternoon to all of you. It's a matter of pride and privilege for me to introduce our worthy Chancellor, sir. A meritorious high school topper from UP Board, who later acquired BE in Civil Engineering from IIT Roorkee and later became an IAS officer. Shri Jaishankar Mishra ji has served significant positions extending over 4 decades in the government of Uttar Pradesh and government of India. He has been collector and district magistrate in 4 important districts of state, including Meerut and Lucknow. He has also served in distinguished capacities as secretary and principal secretary in many important departments, including Home Department, Urban Department, Housing and Urban Planning, and many other prestigious departments of Government of UP and Government of India. Shri Mishra holds an excellent record of accomplishment, of innovative thinking, bold initiatives, and delivery of outcome. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 3 major requirements in life: roti, kapda, and makan. And I'm glad to share that Shri Jaishankar Mishra ji has made contribution at apex level in all the 3 major domains. Noteworthy are his contribution in urban planning, urban development and housing at apex level, in agriculture, fisheries, small-scale industries, as well as Ministry of MSME, Government of India as Chief Executive Officer and Commissioner Khadi and Village Industry Commission. He has been conferred with various awards and recognition as an acknowledgement of his efforts and contribution, including State Award for Outstanding Performance, Public Service Excellence Award by prestigious All India Management Association for organizing Mahakumbh in 2001 with flawless precision and characteristic elan. He was also honored with Agriculture Leadership Award 2011 by a committee chaired by Professor M.S. Swaminathan for creating 16 lakh employment opportunities in micro sectors in the country. On the other side, his passion for poetry and literature keeps his writing vibrant and intellectually stimulating. For his rich contribution in the field of art and literature, he has been felicitated and awarded with Awadh Samman Award by Jaishankar Prasad Award by Uttar Pradesh, Sahitya Sansthan Lucknow, Government of Uttar Pradesh, and really the list is long. An erudite scholar with profound knowledge and in-depth understanding of Indian literature and tradition. He has authored more than 1.5 dozen widely acclaimed books, including 8 poetry books, with 7 in Hindi and 1 in English, published by the most prestigious publishers of the country and abroad as well. Few of his most referred books include A Quest for Dream Cities, a book on life skills, Happiness is a Choice, Choose to be Happy, Mahakumbh, The Greatest Show on Earth, Anandi Anand, The Art of Life, Timely Wisdom from Gita, Art of Success, 21 Mantras from Bhagavad Gita, and many more. And very recently, he has contributed to the society in the form of a book, Art of Joyful Living. This book is basically a collection of experience transformed into words and giving an excellent message of the way to live happy life in this extremely stressed environment. I am also glad to share that he has also contributed to the poetry world with his Hindi poems Ye Dhoop, Chhav, Ye Akarshan, and 5 music albums based on his Hindi poems have been released by Times Music and sung by the renowned singers of India like Asha Bhosle, Hari Haran, Alka Yagnik, Ustad Rashid Khan, and many more. Honorable Chancellor, sir, is truly a person of multifaceted personality and is not only inspires us but exhibit true concern about our health, happiness and success. Sir, we are indeed fortunate to have a stalwart like you to guide us and motivate us and bless us on this important day of Sushant University. I must say our students and we ourselves are fortunate to have your blessings and words of wisdom for their future endeavors. I request you, sir, for sharing your word of vision and blessings.
Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. Our Vice Chancellor, Professor Rakesh Ranjan, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, Pro Vice Chancellor, Sri Anil Kumar Ji, Controller of Exams, Professor Latika, Professor Dubey, Professor Imran, and all other esteemed faculty members present here, and most importantly, the brilliant scholars of School of Business, Engineering and Technology, and School of Law. It's absolutely a great honor to stand before you today as your Chancellor and be a part of one of the most important occasions of your life, the 8th convocation of Sushant University. I wish to congratulate you all on the remarkable journey that has brought you to this important moment in your lives. Your hard work, determination and commitment to excellence have really been admirable. Ladies and gentlemen, you are going to enter into a new phase of life with your dreams and aspirations and the dreams of your parents, guardians, and to a great extent, even of this institution, Sushant University and its faculty. Let me share with you, it's a very, very exciting time for you. In your youth, you are going to enter your area of career, area of life. At the moment, India is at such a stage in terms of its polity, in terms of economics, in terms of its GDP, in terms of technology, space, nuclear, various other technologies, medical field, business, enterprise, and so many avenues, so many skies for you to fly to with all dash and energy. Now, I wish you to understand your potentials. You know, I wish to share an instance of Steve Jobs, you know his name, the famous entrepreneur, inventor and pioneer of the personal computer revolution. In his visit to the Stanford University during their convocations, what he told the students, he told the graduating classes to dream big and keep on trying to achieve their dreams. I quote his lines. These are very inspiring lines. That's why I chose you to read before you. You have got to find what you love. And that is as true for your work as for your life. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. Unquote. I think, dear friends, it's a great message, it's a great teaching, and a great motivation. My message for you will be to work hard and strive for excellence, whatever station of your life, whatever the career, from wherever you start, wherever you stand, spread fragrance, you know. I'm quoting some lines of S.W. Longfellow, the great American poet and educator, very inspiring. The heights by great people won and kept were not achieved by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward day and night. My own mantra for success during my own studies, though it's now old story, during my IIT Roorkee period, then it was known as University of Roorkee. During the IAS competition, those days there was no engineering subjects. We had to opt for art subjects. And later even in service. You know, the mantra, the real mantra which I can impart to you, though you know it very well, having qualified to be present in this hall today to have your degrees, it is work hard, and really work hard. Post-superannuation, though, to give your own example, looks slightly odd, but I can tell you it was the habit of hard work learned during my studies and the early years of service that I could pen 7 books after my retirement even. Another case which I remember is that of the Thomas Stanley, which is much relevant to you, the young people now. He wrote a book. The bestseller has been considered to be the best ever done on self-made millionaires. In this research, he found that 85% of the self-made millionaires, when asked, name one thing which is responsible for your success, they underlined, they emphasized, they repeated, it was hard work and hard work only. I wish to emphasize another point, ladies and gentlemen, is the power of imagination. It is said, Einstein said that whatever you can imagine, you know, with due hard work, integrity in your dreams and your efforts, you can achieve that. In today's context, my advice to you will be to commit yourself to excellence. Dedicate yourself to continuous learning and pursue creativity in your chosen field. Whatever you do with love, commitment, full integrity, and hard work. Rabindranath Tagore gave an example while addressing a meeting of Shanti Niketan, of the convocation of Shanti Niketan. He gave an example of a small lamp to the young men and women of those period. What he said, who will do my duty as the setting sun? When the sun was to set, सूरज जब डूब रहा था, उसने पूछा कि मेरी ड्यूटी कौन करेगा? Who will do my duty as the setting sun? The world remained dark and silent. सूरज की ड्यूटी कौन करने में सक्षम है? Who will do my duty as the setting sun? The world remained dark and silent. With joined palms said the earthen lamp, I will do my duty, master. Dear friends, it's not given to us probably in many of our destiny to become a sun. But we can try in our own modest way to be an earthen lamp and spread light whatever your sphere of life, of your career is. I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to the Vice Chancellor and faculty and wish to congratulate them for the change of direction in every aspect of Shri Shanti University. I have been watching the university for quite some time, and since October 2022, I am also associated in a capacity of Chancellor here. A serious effort within resources has been made to improve the situation, to improve the environment, the technological environment, the social environment, the educational environment, the cultural environment, the sports environment, and I can believe we are still trying to make it much bigger and much better, but nevertheless, wherever you stand, there is a matter of satisfaction and a matter of achievement. I wish to congratulate you all. Dear students, I wish good luck to you. And while concluding my this speech today, my address to you, my wisdom to you, I quote 2 poems to you, small ones. The power of dreams, I underlined the power of imagination and the power of dreams. It is said कि आओ कि कोई ख्वाब बुने कल के वास्ते, जिसके पास ख्वाब नहीं है उसकी जिंदगी क्या होनी है? आओ कि कोई ख्वाब बुने कल के वास्ते, वरना ए रात आज के संगीन दौर की, डस लेगी जानो दिल को कुछ ऐसे कि जानो दिल ताउम्र फिर न कोई हंसी ख्वाब बुन सके. Another last message to you, we don't know when we again meet, but nevertheless, it has been very inspiring lines for me. I have been quoting it so often. I thought, let me share it, the concluding. It was like that, what should you do? What should be the aim of life? What should be the purpose of life? What is really the purpose of life? It says, हम वक्त के सीने में एक शम्मा जला जाएं, सोई हुई राहों के जर्रों को जगा जाएं, कुछ रंग जमा जाएं, कुछ रंग उड़ा जाएं, जिस सिमत से हम गुजरे कुछ फूल खिला जाएं. जिस भी रास्ते से गुजरे अगर ऐसी जिंदगी हो जाए तो दैट्स द बेस्ट लाइफ. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Thank you very much, sir, for such encouraging and inspiring words of wisdom. Thank you, sir. Sushant University recognizes the excellent academic performance of its students in the form of gold and silver medals awarded to them. I now invite Professor Anil Yadav, Controller of Examination and Director, Academic Affairs, to present the medals and certificates to the distinguished achievers. I also invite Honorable Chancellor and Honorable Vice Chancellor to step up to present the awards.
In the 8th convocation, we would be presenting 45 medals, including 2 gold and 2 silver medals at the university level and 41 medals at the program level. Today, specifically, we would be awarding program-wise 10 gold and 8 silver medals. Honorable Chancellor, I now present those meritorious students to you who have been adjudged for the award of gold and silver medals and certificates for overall academic excellence in their respective program. Master of Business Administration, the gold goes to Himanshi Balyan. Master of Business Administration, the silver goes to Shashank Pandit in absentia. Master of Laws, the gold goes to Tamanna Dalal in absentia. The silver goes to Sarvagya Vidyarthi.
Congratulations, Sarvagya.
Yes, sir. I was already High Court? Yeah. Delhi High Court? Delhi mein? Yes. We hope we don't need you. If we need you, talk to others. All the best. God bless you.
Master of Technology, Civil Engineering, the gold goes to Sushoban Day. Master of Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, the gold goes to Stephen Devraz N in absentia. Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Law, the gold goes to Vaishnavi Mishra. Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Law, the silver medal goes to Shikha Yadav in absentia. Bachelor of Business Administration, the gold goes to Shaurya Gulati.
Hello, Shaurya. Congratulations.
What do you want to be now?
Good person. Good? A good person because I think people started. Good question. You know. Out of question, you know the answers. Others.
Bachelor of Business Administration, the silver goes to Ritika Yadav.
Then there's Ritika.
Bachelor of Business Administration and Bachelor of Law, the gold goes to Vaibhav Gupta. Bachelor of Business Administration and Bachelor of Law, the silver medal goes to Ritika Sharma.
Congrats, Ritika. God bless you. Corporate law?
Bachelor of Commerce, the gold medal goes to Komal Bhardwaj.
Congratulations.
Bachelor of Commerce, the silver medal goes to Garima Yadav.
Congratulations, Garima.
Bachelor of Law Honors, the gold medal goes to Satyamurthy Ramasundar.
Congratulations. That is the spirit. That is the example. We are really very proud of your endeavors.
Practicing somewhere? Practicing somewhere?
Bachelor of Law Honors, the silver medal goes to Shivi Khanna.
Shivi, all the best. God bless you. Congratulations. All the best. God bless.
Bachelor of Technology, the gold goes to Siddharth Balia in absentia. The silver medal goes to Abhay Singh.
I just Thank you. That completes the award of medals and certificates for meritorious students. I now request Professor Vijay Anand Dubey, Dean, School of Business, to present the graduates of the postgraduate and undergraduate programs, please. And I request Honorable Chancellor and Honorable Vice Chancellor to present these awards as well.
Honorable Chancellor, I now present to you the students of the Masters of Business Administration, Bachelor of Business Administration and Bachelor of Commerce who have qualified to receive the degree. I request that they may please be awarded the degree. Master of Business Administration, Aruna Sharma.
Congratulations, sir.
Himanshi Balyan.
Congratulations.
Kanishka Rajput.
Congratulations.
Mohammad Sarek.
Congrats.
Radha Kumari.
All the best. Congratulations.
Saurav Singh.
All the best.
And Vidit Gupta.
Congratulations. All the best.
Bachelor of Business Administration.
God bless.
This side.
Congratulations.
Akash.
All the best. God bless. All the best.
Akhilesh Kumar.
Congrats.
Akshay Kumar. Bevanshu Kumar. Gautam Kumar. Karthik Dodeja.
That side.
Pankaj Acharya, Sahil Kandwal, Akash Katyal, Deepak Ehlawat, Hiralal Mehra, Jay Khokhar, Karthik Chaudhary, Mandeep Yadav, Mohit Kumar, Rahul Rana, Ritika Yadav, Rohit Singh Yadav,
optics manufacturer.
Sahil Yadav, Shaurya Gulati, Shaurya Saxena, Shiv Sehrawat, Sushant Sharma, Vidansha Sehrawat, and Vivek Vashisht. Bachelor of Commerce Honors, Garima Yadav. Pragati and Puneet Verma.
All the best.
Bachelor of Commerce Honors, International Accounting and Finance, Akshita Khatri. Komal Bhardwaj, and Mansi Jan. Thank you.
Honorable Chancellor, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Latika Duhan, Dean School of Engineering and Technology, to present the graduates of the postgraduate and undergraduate degree. And I request Honorable Vice Chancellor and the Registrar to please step up to present these awards. Thank you.
Honorable Chancellor, I now present to you the students of Master of Technology, Bachelor of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Technology, who have qualified to receive the degree. I request that they may please be awarded the degree. Master of Technology, Civil, Adarsh Ankit. Shushoban Dey. Bachelor of Computer Applications, Daksh Pare. Jyoti Singh. The students are requested to maintain silence, please. Nandini Rajput. Rahul Singh Rawat. Please come, please. Ritika. Tanishq. Tanmay Chopra. Bachelor of Technology, Computer Science and Engineering. Abhay Singh. Aditya Milind Mante. Akshat Mahawar. Gurleen Chaudhary. Hargun Singh Lamba. Krit Simar Ahuja. Mohit Sharma. Pankaj Singh Shah. Congratulations. परिचय वशिष्ठ. प्रखर खंडेलवाल. प्रीति सिंह. श्रुति पनवर. तरुण गुप्ता. तुषार यादव. Vinayak Vajpayee. जाना पड़ेगा किसी को. यशंक यादव. Bachelor of Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, Cyber Security, Achin Basoya. Hardik Tyagi. Harsh. Jaspreet Singh. Karthik Verma. Pradyum Kanchandani. Vishal Thakur. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. Thank you very much. I now request Dr. Muhammad Imran, Director, School of Law, to present the graduates of the postgraduate and undergraduate program. I request Registrar and Controller of Examination and Director, Academic Affairs, to present these awards.
Honorable Chancellor, I now present to you the students of Master of Laws, BA LLB Honours, BBA LLB Honours, and LLB Honours, who have qualified to receive their degrees. I request that they may please be awarded the degree. Master of Laws in Alternate Dispute Resolution, Sarvagya Vidyarthi. Sarvagya Vidyarthi. Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Laws, Aditya Gupta. Kamya Singh. Rupesh. Rupesh. Sahana Arya. वैष्णवी मिश्रा, Bachelor of Business Administration and Bachelor of Laws Honors, Anushka Gupta, Bhavuk Yadav, Dhruv Jain, Kartik Agarwal, Kartik Agarwal, Meghna Jalali, Ritik Sharma, Ritik Sharma, Shubhratan Singh, Tania Mehndi Ratta, Vaibhav Gupta, and Vanshika Kapoor. Vanshika Kapoor. Now Bachelor of Laws Honors, Ajay June, Gaurish, Nancy Thakran, Nikhil Rana, Satyamurthy Ramasundar, Shivi Khanna, Sonam Srivastav, thank you.
लॉन्ग प्रेस कर दो सर, लॉन्ग प्रेस कर दो सर, लॉन्ग प्रेस कर दो। Thank you very much, sir. With this, we complete the distribution of postgraduate and undergraduate degrees. We will now have the conferment of the degrees. I request the recipients of PhD, postgraduate, and undergraduates to kindly rise. Kindly rise for the investiture. Please keep your right hand on your chest like this. I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to perform the investiture and confer the degrees.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Susant University, I hereby confer upon you the degree for which you have individually qualified and received today, physically or in absentia, and charge you that in your life, by thoughts, words, deed, and conversation, you prove yourself worthy of it.
Thank you, sir. Kindly keep standing. And I now request the Registrar, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, to administer the pledge.
Once I'll say I, you have to take your name. I do hereby solemnly pledge that I shall, by thought, word, deed and conversation, endeavor to be worthy of the degree that has been conferred on me. I shall be a law-abiding citizen and shall strive to live up to the standard of excellence and bring laurels to my alma mater, my family, and my country. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. May I request Honorable Chancellor Shri J.S. Mishra to declare the convocation closed.
I hereby declare the convocation closed.
I request everyone to rise for the national anthem, please. As the academic procession leaves, I request all the students to keep standing, please.
Thank you.
Congratulations to all the degree recipients. I request all of you to please join us for high tea in the canteen, and your photograph, your professional photograph will be with the photographer at the canteen. Kindly collect. Congratulations.